Here's our sweet Cutie. Oh, she had 3 puppies on 16th of October. 3 didn't make it. We lost them during birth. They were very big, got stuck, and we had complications. So we have 1 girl left. But we're gonna give Cutie 2 foster babies from Cinderella because she has so much milk. This little is a girl, is a black party girl. Her name is Utopia. And here she is, pretty little girl. Mommy is very protective over her. Little Utopia. She's a very, very pretty girl. Spoken for, she's already adopted. They all are adopted, except for the Wheaton. Don't knock my hand around. Look at this, Mommy, don't knock my head. Okay, I know she wants her babies. Oops, there she is, Utopia. And now we have Cutie, who is fostering 2 babies, 2 Wheaton babies from Cinderella. And now Cinderella has 3 and Cutie has 3. And she is such a good mommy. She says they are her babies, right? They are your babies. So it worked out okay. She's got a lot of milk and Cutie does not know the difference. Right, Cutie? Yes.